So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to create this no makeup look, but before we get started with the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell down below so that you get properly updated. Hi guys. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how I create my natural look, like the no makeup kind of look, which is very common nowadays, and you can see so many celebrities sporting those kind of look, the hashtag no makeup look or hashtag I woke up like this. So I thought of creating this look for you all. Before we get started with the makeup tutorial, it's not exactly a makeup tutorial, but just keeping in mind the steps. The first step what we are going to do is we are going to use an hydrating face wash and clean off the face. And after you finish cleaning your face, make sure that you are using a hydrating moisturizer to moisturize your skin. So here I'm using this neem hydrating face moisturizer and just applying it, dabbing in enough. Just make sure that you take immense quantity of moisturizer so that your face will be literally glowing from inside. Now as your skin is properly moisturized, now the next step we can go is for the primer. Now for a no makeup face, the main point is your face should look very clean. Actually it should be shining from within. Your skin should look like it's like a healthy. Most important thing is using a illuminating primer. So I don't have an illuminating primer right now. I have this Maybelline strobing cream. It's an illuminator, it's an highlighter. So what I'm going to exactly do is I'm going to take a little bit of illuminator and I'm going to mix it in the foundation. While selecting the foundations, you have to be sure that the foundations are not so thick or a high coverage foundation. You can go for BB creams, you can go for CC creams, or you can even go for tinted moisturizer. So this I'm using here is my DIOR Backstage foundation. This is face and body foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit of bump onto my skin. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it in the foundation and I'm going to apply it, dab it all over my face, also my neck, not forgetting the neck part. And then I'm going to use a beauty sponge to mix it. Now you can use a buffing brush, you can use anything, whatever is preferable to you. I personally prefer using a beauty sponge. I love it the way it turns out, the complete makeup. Be sure that it's a damn beauty blender. As our base is done, now we are going to use a lightweight concealer. Now for the lightweight concealer I'm using here is this Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium. Just cover my under eye area, and if I have a little bit of pigmentation near my mouth, so that is what I'm going to cover here near my eyes. So that is what I'm going to cover, and a little bit on the head, and that's it. Now make sure when you're using a powder, either it's a translucent powder or you can use the pressed powder, but just because we are going for a natural look or a dewy finish look, we are not going to apply the powder much. I'm just going to dab the powder, just take a very little amount and dab it, and just I'm going to go on the places where I have applied the concealer, nothing more than that, just on the hair, and that's it. So for the brows I'm going to brush it first, go very minimal on that, comb it upwards so that just instantly raises your eyebrow and opens up your features. I'm just filling up the sparse areas, like if you have gaps in the center of your eyebrows, make sure you just fill the gaps up, and that's pretty much it. We take a spoolie and you just rub it over and evenly distribute it in the eyebrows, so that instantly distributes the color of the eyebrows evenly. Eyeshadow is like just applying some highlighting shade on the lids, just in case, to make your eyes that you have something on your eyes and it is not looking. I've just applied a highlighting shade on my lids everywhere, and taking a blending brush, this is the MAC 217 blending brush, taking a brown shade and just applying it. Same you have to do it on the other side also. This is that, and applying a highlighter near, because we want a dewy face. What we are going to do is we are going to take a small amount of Vaseline. So I'm just going to take a very small amount of Vaseline on my hand, dab some amount of Vaseline on the high points of my face just to make it very glowy. We are not using a highlighter here just because we want a natural, fresh looking face. So that is what we are going to do it under the eyebrows as well. Now for bronzing the face, what we are going to use is a bronzing cream or a bronzing powder. Now here I am bronzing little by little just because we want a slight contouring on the sides of our face. Just a little bit, just running down all those temples of my face. Next is a slight of mascara. So here I'm using this Maybelline's the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. This mascara is just awesome, guys. I'm just going to apply a little bit on the lashes, and my mascara is done. Now if you want more of highlights, you can definitely go for more highlights. You can even go on the top of the nose, on the cupid's bow, or actually all along your face. And once you finish doing that, we'll go for the last step is lipstick. Now for the lipstick, I don't like completely nude shades because as it just completely washes off my face, and I personally don't like that. So here I'm going for a little bit of peachy shade. This is the Body Shop Matte Lip Liquid in the shade Goa Mongolia. So this is a little bit pink than what we expected, the nude look. You can definitely go a slight lower. For the blush, again we are going to use the Vaseline, and we are going to mix the lipstick in that so that we get a very creamy blush. Now creamy blushes are really very natural. If you have to go for a natural look, make sure that you have a lip stain or you have a I'm just going to dab it with my fingers on the apples of my cheek, and that just gives a slightish pink color. That's it, guys. This is my no makeup look. This is how I do my natural makeup look, or the no makeup look, and this is pretty much everyday's routine of mine, and I love it. So I hope you got some inspirations, and I hope you got it how to recreate this look. And if you really find this helpful, then do like the videos, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will meet you guys in my next video. Bye.